This is more for a brunch vibe, you know, if you're gonna go have mimosas, eat some fried shrimp. Good morning. Oh, now I'm gonna put some light into my room. Ooh. Okay, so let me tell y'all what happened. This morning, me and my flatmates decided we're gonna go to Devon's house, but last night we were playing French dominoes. It's a new game. I never knew French dominoes existed, but yes, we were playing French dominoes until about 3 a.m. So our date was supposed to be at 11 a.m., but right now it is 11:30. We're just waking up, but we're gonna try to scramble and get there by maybe 12:30 because the place closes at 3 o'clock on a Saturday due to COVID and everything. So I'm gonna go get ready and see if I can, you know, pull myself together in half an hour. I should be able to because I have braids in my hair. I don't need to comb my hair or anything. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me. Thank you for watching and let's go have some ice cream. And I have no idea what I'm wearing. Oh my god. Whew. It's gonna be a tight one, y'all. It's gonna be a tight one, but I think I can pull myself together in half an hour. I have no idea what to wear, but I think I'll probably have to settle for jeans and one of these tops because trust me, I'm not ironing anything today. All right, let's go get ready. So because I'm going out and I will be in the sun, my face is heavily moisturized and sunscreened. I have the new Fenty moisturizer slash sunscreen. Usually I use one pump, but because I'm actually leaving the house today and I'll be in the sun, I actually put 2 pumps so that my face looks dewy. That's the reason, you know, you gotta protect your skin. Okay, so I've narrowed my outfit down to 2 choices. I was thinking a dress or jeans and a top. I think I'm gonna go with jeans and a top because a dress is more like for brunch and it's Saturday, it's not Sunday. Ain't no brunch, it's just ice cream. And I just wanted to wear a bright color. So I'm gonna wear jeans and a bright color top. I don't know which top yet, but I'm gonna see what I do not need to iron. And I will show you guys my outfit before we leave for sure. I'm not wearing makeup. I'm just gonna go like this because half of my face will be covered anyway with the mask. So I won't be wearing makeup. I just want my skin to breathe. The most I'll do is probably a little lip gloss and lip liner. So I'm gonna keep it, you know, simple today. But yeah, so Demon's ice cream house is apparently like a big deal in Jamaica. There's actually a video of Safari and Erica Mena at the ice cream house. You know, Safari and Erica Mena, Safari from Love and Hip Hop, Erica Mena from Love and Hip Hop. She was also on Chris Brown's Yo video. No? Alright. If you don't know who they are, that's the best I can do, but yeah, they've been there. Spice has been there. You know, there are a lot of different celebrities that have been there. It's like whenever you go to Jamaica, you need to go to this place. It's a big deal. The best ice cream in the Caribbean, blah, blah, blah. So, yeah, that's where I'm going today with my flatmates. Let's see. So I'm gonna go find something to wear and I will check back in with y'all when I am all dressed and ready to go. Okay guys, so this is the outfit I chose. You know, let me close the door so y'all can, you know. So this is what I chose. It was between this and this dress, but I feel like this dress is more for like, you know, a nice brunch, you know, drinking bottomless mimosas, eating some fried shrimp, calamari, you know. But this, I feel like it's more casual. It's Saturday morning. Like I said, it's 11:30 or maybe it's 12 o'clock right now. But I prefer this outfit. You know, it just puts me in a good mood. It's appropriate for the occasion. Okay, probably need to bring this crane a bit higher, but yeah, you guys get the gist. So this is the outfit for today, with this black side bag, and I'm gonna wear black sandals. So yeah, this is it. That's it. Let's go.
Hi, Sonita's vlog. My name is Iscream, and I'm her favorite. You're welcome, babe. Doesn't she look cool? She always looks silent. Whoa! I want one with me.
I feel like it's your birthday. And we're just accompanying you. Nah, don't change. Change? Hell no, we're gonna leave you. Bye.
Don't change. You know in your heart of hearts you also don't want to. So, like, it's okay if you want to be the main character. Come and camera. But you look nice, you look nice. Everybody should get with the program. Hi, my name is Adana. You can follow me at the name of the stuff. 270.
Did you really change your outfit?
Yes. Peer pressure.
Yeah.
And
That was quick too.
you know, actually,
We will. Why you shy, Nick? Hi, woman. Let's go. I need you to film me now to be in the shot. Can you film for me, please? Or you want to be in the shot? Hold and point and film anybody. But make sure I'm in the shot. Yes, no problem. Thank you. Thank you for coming. 11, 12, 13. Where's number 14? So we are here. It's just the four of us here. We left first on a taxi. So we ain't waiting. I am hungry. I'm gonna go get this goat patty, and the others will catch up with us when they get here. So this is the building. Apparently it was a Spanish heritage site before. I guess the Spaniards who colonized Jamaica. This is where they lived actually. So yeah, then it's transformed now into like this cool area where you can eat and chill. It kind of gives me marina vibes, like in St. Lucia, the marina. Ooh, steakhouse. Sorry about that. But yeah, it kind of gives me the marina vibes. Just a nice chill place. And here we have a bakery, which is where I'm going now. And different stores here. And on the other side is the ice cream store, which is where we're gonna be going soon. All right, and here they are. The rest of the people. Late bugs have arrived. Wait, that's only half of them. Where are the others? Behind. The other set have arrived.
Come, Miss Icy right here. Come, let's go. We're ready. Hello, mommy. Yeah.
Curry goat for Shania. Okay, this is like the smallest store. There's a bigger one with more variety, but we couldn't wait. The line was too long. So it's a curry goat for me. Ooh. No Sonita, no cakes.
Everywhere.
I'm hungry and find where are the shady money for to sitting everywhere?
No sun out.
Are you blind? Are you blind? The sun is literally so hot. Can I sit in the middle of that or is that no? I know. So this is what I got, y'all. A goat patty. I mean, it's like this red thing is just coloring, I guess, to identify what's in which one. So I guess like the beef would have green, the goat would have red, etc. So don't mind the red stain on my patty. Oh yeah. Now this is really good.
Patty.
Oh, just like me. Curry goat. Oh yeah.
I really want it.
I'm already sweaty. This place is okay. I won't lie. This place is very humid. Yes, extremely humid. Okay, y'all. So there are about, I don't know, like 20 to 30 people ahead of us for the ice cream line, but of course we're gonna join the line because we want ice cream and the place closes in literally an hour and a half, so we're gonna see what we can do. But in the meantime, I have my patty. I'm not sure if I really want ice cream, but in the meantime, let me show you guys the scenery and the vibes of the front of the place. So okay, my mask is off, I know.
So guys, we're about to go inside and place our orders. So I'm just going to be asking everybody what flavor they are getting. So Imani, what flavor are you getting?
Pralines and cream is my favorite flavor ever. I love it so much.
Okay. Carrie-Ann, what flavor are you getting?
Strawberry cheesecake.
Okay. So for me, what flavor are you getting?
I don't know yet. We have to wait and see what it says inside.
Imani, what flavor are you getting?
Praline and cream and crunchy munchy.
Okay. Kodia, what are you having?
Crunchy munchy.
Ooh, Chelsea.
Not sure yet. Pralines and cream.
I didn't know these flavors existed, guys. So when we get inside, I'll show you how inside looks, and basically we're all Sonita's friends and we live with her, so get used to seeing our face. Thank you.
Nobody told me to settle down. Day nights and late nights don't get around, but there's something about you I like, about you I like.
So guys, I'm going to go back and give the camera back to Sonita. She's seated over there.
Maybe I'm escaping the love we found. There's something about you I like,
Thanks. So good. Now I'm tempted, y'all, to get ice cream.
We got a one scoop sundae, so I got cookies and cream, and Sophie got a
Strawberry cheesecake. Looking good. What did you get, Jamil? Is that chocolate?
Overload.
Oh my god, chocolate with chocolate? That's an overload, for real. Nice, y'all. Oh. Now we're just looking around. I got permission to vlog. Nice. Okay, so I'm signing off, guys. It's been quite the day, but right now we're waiting for our taxi to head back home. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And honestly, thank you so much. Oop. Security's 7 persons. Okay, I'm going. I'm in one of the 7. First 7 people. That's me. Okay, we're leaving. The taxi is literally waiting for us outside. Who has an umbrella? Somebody. We gotta sprint. Run. Run for the taxi. But I'm ready to go home. Like, seriously, I'm kind of still tired because I went to bed around 4 o'clock last night because I was on the phone. Oh my god. The rain is coming on heavier. Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye.
Passing the phone to my favorite mean girl.
I'm passing the phone to the girl who knows every word of every song, every lyric.
Passing the phone to the most chaotic girl I know.
Passing the phone to the shortest girl right now.
Passing the phone to the loudest person on the flat.
Passing the phone to the person who's always absent but is present today.
Passing the phone to the person that can dance. I'm passing the phone to the person who eats breakfast every time of the day. I'm passing the phone to the teacher on the floor.
So, passing the phone to my most favorite St. Lucia Nigerian.
Passing the phone to the person on the floor who owns TikTok.
Passing the phone to the sexiest baldy.
Hi guys, I'm the sexiest. Oh wait. Hi guys, I'm the sexiest baldy in the world, but I'm wearing a wig today, so yeah, thanks for that.